this video, we are going to talk about introducing integers. So first, I'm going to start with giving you some definitions you need to write down. The first one is counting numbers. The counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the numbers that you would count with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Go on forever. Whole numbers that you count up with. Pause and write those as an example. Now, integers is the next one. And that includes all positive numbers and their opposites, including negatives. Ah! Whew. Anyways, integers are all positive counting numbers and their opposites. So for 1 you have -1, 2 you have -2, and so on. Write that down. And rational numbers are any real number. So that includes decimals and fractions. So for example, 3.5, 2.5, -9.2. You can even have repeating numbers like 7.4 repeating or something like that. Even those are rational numbers. So if we had the number, 7, or let's go -7. -7 would be an integer and a rational number. But it is not a whole number or a counting number since it's negative. So mostly we're going to focus on integers. Integers include negative numbers. So make this neat little chart on your paper. So what we have is 5 to -5. So let's graph. Let's say there is a man on a boat, and his boat is above the water, and he is at 1 foot high. He's sitting in his boat. Hi, Mr. Guy. So he is at 1. But we got a problem. There was a reason for the music. There's this creature at -4. Oh no. And that equals a shark with a full belly. But I feel like I've mostly spent my time focusing on making a JAWS video. So let's do integers with temperature. So if you have a thermometer and you have it at 0 and then it goes down. If I said, where would -4 go? If it was -4 degrees out, that's below 0, right? 4 degrees below 0 is -4. That's the integer for it. If I said 4 degrees above 0, that would be above, up there. So integers are numbers that -4 is less than 0. Another situation it could represent is if you owe someone money. If you have $50 in your bank account and you owe someone $60, you're going to end up with a negative number. Okay, I'm going to give you a couple quick practice ones. Write down the integer that would represent if someone lost 8 pounds. Pause and solve. Okay, if someone lost 8 pounds, the integer that you would write would be -8. How about write down the integer if someone gained 12 pounds? Pause and solve. that would be 12. You could put plus 12, but if it's positive, you don't have to put the plus there. Okay, how about if it dropped 9 degrees to yesterday? Pause. That would be -9. How about if on January 5th it was 23 degrees below zero? Write down that integer. Okay, that would be -23. Okay, so here's what I want you to do for your practice, for your assignment. All I want you to do is I want you to start at -25 and write down the next 20, they're the next integers that would go after. So -25, -26, and then write down the next 5. Pretty easy, right? That's what I want you to do for practice. See you tomorrow.